Hello friends, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be cleaning, cooking, and as well as I'm going to do a little experiment with you guys later on throughout the video, so stay tuned for that. So I'm going to dust my ceiling fan because my allergies are starting to kick in and I do not want to get sick. So before getting started, I'm going to deep clean Cookie's home, but in order for me to do that, I have to remove every single thing in here as well as her dog cage. I also remove that just so I can actually deep clean behind the cage as well, because I do not want to sound gross, but there is bunny poop back there as well as urine. So I really need to remove that so I can sanitize and clean back there. So that's what I'm going to be doing here and show you guys pretty much what I do here to clean her area. All right, so before mopping her area, I like to close out the dog pen and just pretty much set it the way I would normally set up so I can get a better view on where I need to focus on mopping. And then I just close it off so that way she doesn't go in while it is drying. While that is drying, I just go back and dump out the old hay as well as her litter tray, and then I'll just go into the restroom and start cleaning these and disinfecting. And all I'm doing here is using a Brio pad as well as the cleaning vinegar. And don't get me wrong, I did clean my bathtub after I was done with the litter trays. But so yeah, so once that is done, I just pretty much let them air dry. You can let them air dry if you want. I prefer it that way, or you can, if you're in a big hurry to set everything back in place, you can paper dry it or just simply use a hand towel. All right, so Cookie's food bowl here, I know it looks disgusting. Please don't judge me. I haven't been using her bowl lately. I just normally would throw in her lettuce, just spread them around evenly around her inside her home. But I do put her fruits in there, so that's why it looks like that, because I put bananas and things like that and it can get like messy in there. But so yeah, that's why it looked like that. And here I am going to wash Cookie's blankies, but before doing so I like to just make sure there's like no fur in there before I put them into the washer and in the dryer. And then I'm just going to use 1 cup of dish detergent in here, as well as just 1 scoop of the Awesome. And I do not put fabric softener in there or anything like that for smell. But so yeah, so while that is washing, I'm just going to go into the kitchen and cook this. And it's just a really simple, easy dinner, I guess you can say, or a lazy way to make dinner. But all it is taquitos and with some rice with broccoli. All right, so once I'm done in the kitchen with cooking in there as well as eating with the family, once Cookie's blankies have already been washed and dried, I just come back in here and put everything back in its place for her. And so here I'm just going to be adding her paper pellets into her litter tray as well as her hay. And then I'm going to add the blankies on top of her cage because I just prefer it this way to I don't know, I like to make it cozy for her and give her a soft surface so that can prevent her from having like sore hocks. But so yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do here, and then I'm going to put all her toys back in here as well, and her bowl of water and her food. So I did put her lettuce in the bowl, but that's just to keep it clean at least for a day or two, and then I'll just normally go back to just throwing in her lettuce randomly around her home so that way she can hunt for it. But so yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing here. Moving on to my kitchen, I'm going to not deep clean in here and just pretty much clean our mess from after having dinner. And someone recommended me to try Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products, and let me tell you guys, so far I am absolutely loving it, and so is Chris, because Chris is like not fond about some of my cleaning products I was using before because it was really harsh in chemicals that he didn't like the smell. He would have to leave the house and that sort of thing. But after discovering this cleaning product, I actually purchased it on not Amazon, at Target, and I just love the way it smells, the way it cleans. And but so yeah, so kudos to you, you know who you are, who recommended for me to try it. And I do want to try I want to get some more stuff like the laundry stuff, and I don't know, I'm just learning as I go, but so far I am loving it. You guys, you got to try it if you haven't. It might be old news to some of you guys, but this is new to me and I'm gonna rave about it.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it.
Actually, I got this off of Facebook, so we're gonna do a science experiment, and this is just to show kids the reason why to wash your hands.
Yes.
Okay, so we have our black pepper here, our water, and as well as our dish soap. So I'm going to pour some black pepper into the water, and this represents germs. So what we're gonna do is place a finger into the water, just the tip, take it out, and that's germs. Now we're gonna insert into the soap. Wait a minute, make sure it's not dripping, and then we're gonna come over here to our black pepper and then insert it. You see how it just like washed away the germs actually. So what are we gonna do from now on?
Wash your hands. So it's like taking away the germs, like for kids and adults.
Okay.
You put this and put it in.
Okay.
Then dip your finger in it. And then put it out. Then put it in here. And then put it, don't let it drip.
And then put it in
In
the
there.
pepper, the germs.
See? Now flip it.
Huh?
Flip it. Up here.
It's clean now.
It's clean.
Is it?
It's the chemicals they put in the soap. That's soap.
Yeah.
It's germs.
That's cool, right?
Yeah. Very nice.